howtothomas.info is marketed as an online shopping store offering a wide range of products at heavily discounted prices. The deals can look tempting and the product photos appear attractive, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, many online stores legitimately offer discounted products, and low prices alone don't necessarily mean a store is unreliable. What it does well: wide product selection. The store offers products across multiple categories, giving shoppers plenty of options. Competitive pricing. Frequent discounts and promotions can make many items appear to be great value. Where the hype falls apart. Product quality may vary. The items you receive may not always match the photos or descriptions shown on the website. Shipping times can be longer than expected. Depending on where products are shipped from, delivery may take more time than anticipated. Return policies deserve careful review. Before placing an order, check the refund process, return conditions, and any return shipping costs. So, should you buy from howtothomas.info? Short answer: maybe, but do your research first. If you find a product you like and understand the store's shipping and return policies, it may be worth considering. But don't rely solely on the marketing photos or deep discounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.